Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words began, begun, and begin. Began, begun, and begin are all forms of the same verb in English, but they are used in different tenses and contexts. Let's look at each one individually. Began, verb, simple past tense of begin. Started or commenced an action or process in the past. For example, the movie began late due to technical difficulties. She began to feel nervous as she waited for the results. Begun, part of speech, verb, past participle of begin. Used to form perfect tenses, indicating that an action or process has started. For example, the construction has begun on the new library. By the time I arrived, the party had already begun. Begin, verb, base form, to start or commence an action or process. For example, the concert will begin at 8 p.m. Let's begin the meeting now. To summarize, begin is the base form of the verb, used in present tense, future tense, and imperatives. Began is the simple past tense form, used to describe actions that started in the past. Begun is the past participle used in perfect tenses with auxiliary verbs like have or had. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.